Rectangular trace application in the reduction of the crosstalk of a coupled microstrip line. In microwave circuit, the microstrip line has many problems. One of these problems are crosstalk coupling. Coupling is an important problem for the circuits that have multi-lines, which is induced by the difference between the capacitive coupling ratio, Cm is equal to Ct, and inductive coupling ratio. This problem is still very important due to the usage of the very large-scale integration. The study shows that the microstrip lines can be easily adapted to the small dimensions. The study aims to investigate the use of rectangular trace to reduce the crosstalk of the coupled microstrip lines. New electronic products must have high speed, small size and lower voltages supply. With such layout, signal integrity, C, becomes an actual important issue because sensitive equipment is affected on electromagnetic interference, EMI. Crosstalk is a major factor in signal integrity, C, of printed circuit boards, PCBs. Crosstalk noise is usually represented in terms of near-end crosstalk, next, and far-end crosstalk, FEXT. Crosstalk is a common problem that degrades circuit performance. To reduce this problem, wire hole fences connected by guard trays between double microstrip lines are used. In this case, the crosstalk will be reduced by 6 decibels, then use 3 watts rule, but when it replaced by rectangular metal, the crosstalk was reduced by 7 decibels, is better than use wire hole fences by 1 decibel. The simulation result was done by using FECO 5.5 simulator. In conclusion, changing and reducing the crosstalk between double microstrip lines was compared to 3 techniques. Using rectangular trace between microstrip lines, new method compared it with the other 2 methods, 3W rule and using wire fence, all have the same dimensions. Introduction. As electronic devices become smaller and more powerful, the circuits inside them also become more compact. This means that the tiny metal lines that carry signals, called microstrip lines, are placed very close together. When these lines are too close, they can interfere with each other, causing what is known as crosstalk. This interference can disrupt the signals being transmitted, leading to errors in communication and performance issues in high-speed electronic systems. Crosstalk happens because of unwanted electrical interactions, both through electric fields, capacitive coupling, and magnetic fields, inductive coupling, between the lines. It becomes worse in advanced technologies like VLSI, very large-scale integration, where circuit components are incredibly small and densely packed. There are 2 main types of crosstalk, near-end crosstalk, next, which occurs close to the signal source, and far-end crosstalk, FEXT, which appears at the end of the line and can severely impact the quality of the received signal. This paper explores the behavior of crosstalk between 2 closely spaced microstrip lines and evaluates to design approaches aimed at reducing both next and FEXT. Special coatings are applied in these designs to protect the lines and minimize interference from external factors. By understanding and reducing crosstalk, engineers can improve the performance and reliability of high-speed electronic circuits, especially in complex systems like printed circuit boards, PCBs. Conclusion. This paper compares 3 methods to reduce signal interference, crosstalk, between 2 microstrip lines, the 3W spacing rule, wire fence, and a new method using a rectangular trace between the lines. Simulations using FECO 5.5 show that the new rectangular trace method reduces far-end crosstalk, FEXT, more effectively, by about 7 decibels compared to the 3W rule and 1 decibel compared to the wire fence. Near-end crosstalk, next, is also slightly improved. Overall, the new design shows better signal quality at the receiver, making it a promising solution for improving high-speed circuit performance. This important article is authored by the following scientists: for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.